Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about the meeting of the company. Okay. First, we have to learn about the meaning of meeting, then the types of meeting. First, what is meeting? A company can be defined as two or more individuals coming together, gathering or assembling either by prior notice or unanimous decision for discussing and carrying out some legitimate activities related to business. Next, a company meeting can be said to be a concurrence or meeting of the quorum of members to carry out ordinary or special business and take decisions on important matters of the company. Next, why are company meetings held? First one is control management function. Then second one is control the affairs of the company. Next, the future policies. Next, the first types of meeting is AGM. That means annual general meeting. First, we are going to learn about what is annual general meeting. As per Section 96 of the Companies Act 2013, a general meeting must be held annually as the same suggests. It is mandatory that all companies hold such meetings at regular intervals. Next, when the annual general meeting is held for the first time after the company incorporation, it has to be held within a period of 9 months from the date of the closing of the first financial year of the company, and in other cases within 6 months from the date of the closing of the financial year. Next, the notice of conducting the annual general meeting. The company has to send a clear 21 days notice to its members to conduct the annual general meeting. The notice must mention the day, date and location of the meeting along with the hour at which it is decided to be held. Next, date, time and place of conducting an annual general meeting. Usually an annual general meeting can be conducted at any time provided it is during the business hours. That means between the 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And the day of the meeting is not a national day. Next, now talking about the location of the meeting. It can be held either at any pre-decided place within the area of the jurisdiction of the register office or at the register office itself. Next, quorum of annual general meeting. In public company means the quorum in the case of a public company shall consist of the following ways. 5 if the company has less than 1000 members, 15 if the members are between 1000 and 5000, and 30 if the number of members exceed 5000. In private company means in the case of a private company only 2 members who are present will constitute the quorum. The next type of meeting is extraordinary general meeting, that means EGM. Extraordinary general meeting in a company, there are certain matters that are so crucial to be discussed that they need to be addressed immediately to the members, which is where an extraordinary general meeting comes into play. Such meetings are discussed under Section 100 of the Companies Act 2013. An extraordinary general meeting is any general meeting apart from the statutory meeting, an annual general meeting or any adjournment meeting. Such a meeting is held to discuss special business, especially those businesses that do not fall under the ordinary business that is discussed at an annual general meeting. Such meetings are usually called for matters that are urgent and for those that cannot be discussed at an annual general meeting. Who can call for an AGM? The members or the shareholders of company can call for an extraordinary general meeting. They are listed in the Companies Act 2013 as follows. In the case of a company having a share capital, members holding not less than 1/10 of the such paid up capital of the company that carry voting rights in regard to that matter as on the date of the depositing the requisition. In the case of a company not having a share capital, members holding not less than one-tenth of the total voting power in regard to that matter as that the date of deposit of the requisition. EGM called by the requisitionist under Section 100, subsection 4 of the Companies Act 2013. If a board does not, within 21 days from the date of the receipt of a valid requisition in relation to any matters thereto, take any steps to call a meeting to consider the matter not later than 45 days from the date of receiving such a requisition. Then the meeting may be called upon and conducted by the requisitionists themselves within a span of 3 months from the date of requisition. Essentials of a valid requisition. The essentials of valid requisitions are listed down below as follows. First, specify the issue for which the meeting is called. Next, signed by the requisitionist and must be deposited at the company's registered office. Requirements for holding an EGM. A notice period of 21 days must be given to the members. However, there is an exception to this rule, where if 95% of the voting members concerned, the EGM can be held at a shorter notice. Quorum record for EGM. Unless the company's articles state otherwise, the following number of members are required for a quorum. In the case of public company, only the 5 members personally present, and in case of other company means 2 members personally present. Place of conducting an ordinary extraordinary general meeting. In an extraordinary general meeting can be held at the register office or any other location in the city where such a register office is located. Next, the notice for extraordinary general meeting. The notice of an extraordinary general meeting must be served in writing or through an electronic mode in at least 21 days of conducting such a meeting. Thank you.